Hi everyone. This will be our activity for today. Lettering. Make it a habit. To clean your drawing board before starting any drawing job. Position the T-square, then unlock it. Always make sure that your T-square is sliding freely vertically, without any disturbance. Also make sure that your set square or triangle is freely sliding horizontally. Then prepare all the drawing tools you will need in your task. Pencil, eraser and pencil sharpener. Then insert the A4 size lettering template as shown. Make sure that the lettering guidelines are aligned horizontally with the T-square. Measure and mark with a dot 10 mm from the border on the right and left side of the template. Then draw a vertical line using the marked point lightly on the paper. Extend the vertical marginal lines from top to bottom on both sides of the paper. Your right margin is just a guide for you to stop your wording. At the same time, the right margin also serves as a guide on where to hyphenate your words. Always make sure whenever you start a sketching or lettering task, your pencil is properly sharpened. Let us start with the title. Then proceed with the first paragraph. Again, your right margin is just a guide for you to stop your wording. The right margin also serves as a guide for where to hyphenate your words. Here are the common mistakes made by students when doing this lettering activity. Missing letters in between words. Spelling and missing letters. Letters are written in an inclined manner. Incorrect hyphenation or syllabication. Improper spacing. This is how to correctly hyphenate a word. This is how to correctly hyphenate a word. And sharpen your pencil when necessary. This is how to correctly hyphenate a word. That's it. I hope you enjoyed your first lesson in lettering.